Credit Karma versus NerdWallet. Which app gives better credit insights? Trying to improve your credit score and manage your finances smarter? You've probably heard of Credit Karma and NerdWallet, two of the most popular personal finance applications out there. But which one gives you better insights into your credit and overall financial health? In today's video, we'll break down their features, accuracy, tools, and which one might be better for your financial journey. Let's dive right in. All of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. The first thing that we have to talk about is the most basic one. What are Karma Credit and NerdWallet? Both apps aim to simplify personal finance, but they serve slightly different purposes. Credit Karma is primarily known for free credit scores, credit monitoring, and personalized recommendation for loans, cards, and more. Now, NerdWallet is more of a financial research and recommendation engine, offering guides, product comparison, and also free credit score tracking. So Credit Karma is more about ongoing credit health, while NerdWallet acts as your financial advisor in your pocket. From there, let's talk about the accuracy of their credit score tracking. Now, Credit Karma uses Vantage Score 3.0 from TransUnion and Equifax. It's not the same score lenders use, which is usually FICO, but it's close enough for trends and monitoring. Now, NerdWallet also uses Vantage Score, typically from TransUnion. Both are useful for tracking score changes, but keep in mind that they may not reflect the exact number of a lender sees. Now, as a pro tip, you want to use these applications to monitor your progress, not obsess over specific numbers. From there, let's talk about the tools and features comparison. Now, Credit Karma tools are going to be credit score dashboard with score simulators. You have detailed credit report breakdown, alerts for changes in your credit. You have tax filing, which is the Credit Karma tax, now Cash App taxes. And lastly, as a feature, they have pre-qualified offers for credit cards, loan, and auto insurance. Now, let's go ahead and talk about the NerdWallet tools and features. Number one, they have the Credit Score Tracker 2. They have goal setting tools, side-by-side comparisons of financial products. They have articles, calculators, and budgeting tips. And lastly, you have access to expert insights and blogs. Now, if you're looking for a rich educational content and key product analysis, NerdWallet is king. But if you want a more interactive credit score dashboard, Credit Karma wins. From there, let's also talk about the security and privacy because both applications take user data seriously. Well, they use 256-bit encryption, they have two-factor authentication, and back-level security standards. Credit Karma has had some scrutiny over its personalized recommendation, while NerdWallet is more conservative. It doesn't push products quite as aggressive. So, if you're concerned about database recommendation, NerdWallet might feel safer, but both are solid on security. Now, let's talk about the financial product recommendation. Credit Karma leans into personalization, suggesting credit cards, loans, and car insurance based on your credit profile. Sometimes this is helpful, but other times it feels a bit salesy. Now, NerdWallet lets you explore at your own pace, offering editorially reviewed option with side-by-side comparison and pros and cons. As I've previously mentioned, NerdWallet is all about a side-by-side comparison of all of the banks and loans out there. So if you want curated suggestions, you want to go with Credit Karma. If you want more control and transparency, NerdWallet is going to be always the better choice. So let's also talk about the user experience and design for both applications. Credit Karma is very visual and interactive. Its dashboard gives you a quick pulse of your financial health, as you can see right here. You can see the graph, your credit, debit, and property. Now, NerdWallet feels more like a blog meets toolkit. It's cleaner, more text heavy, and structured like a digital financial advisor. And so, Credit Karma is great for daily use and alerts. NerdWallet is better for learning and planning. And the last thing that I want to talk about is going to be the best use cases for each application. And so you want to use Credit Karma if you want frequent updates and real-time alerts. You want to use Credit Karma if you need help understanding how actions affect your credit. And lastly, you want to use Credit Karma if you prefer a hands-on, app-based experience. And so, let's head over to NerdWallet. You want to use NerdWallet if you like to compare products before applying, if you want educational resources and expert tips, and lastly, if you prefer less aggressive marketing. They're not mutually exclusive, so you can find and should use both depending on your needs. And so, for best use cases, you can just go ahead and use both of the applications at the same time to go ahead and get the best out of both worlds. Once again, the links are going to be on the description box below, so you can just go ahead and check them out. Now, to go ahead and finish the video off, Credit Karma is primarily known for the free credit score. You have the credit monitoring once again, and personalized recommendation for loans, cards, and more. While NerdWallet is known for the financial research and recommendation engine, offering some guides, some product comparison, and also, once again, a free credit score tracking. And so that wraps up the topic for today. So, to answer the question, which one is really better? You want to go with Credit Karma for daily credit monitoring, some helpful simulations, and some real-time alerts. You want to choose NerdWallet for educational content, some smarter product comparison, and a less driven ad experience. Both applications are free, secure, and incredibly valuable, just in different ways. And so, if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, comment your favorite application, and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and here's to a better building credit. I'll see you on the next video.